Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy. Got a down and dirty quick one for you today. I needed to redo my badge clip. I did this one years ago and it sits in my car and it's in the sun all the time, and as you can see, the resin has gotten yellow and the flowers have bleached out. So I thought I would do a new one. That one in the trash. And I should pull it back out. So I've got this sitting in a cup so that this can go in there and I can hopefully get it as level as possible in here so my resin doesn't go all over the place. So you can see it's about as close as I can get it. But we want it level so that when I use the Bond Craftor UV resin, it doesn't spill over the sides, hopefully. And I have these little charms and a little starfish. What is that? Seahorse. And a little shell that I thought I could put on there. And these came in a pack about this big of just different sea creatures. And they all had these little rings on them. So I just used my clippers, these ones right here, and snipped them off. And be careful when you do that because those pieces will go flying everywhere. I'm also going to use this little piggy billabong to color my resin. So let's get started. So in here, I'm going to put a little bit of this UV resin. I'm not going to need too much. I love this UV resin. It's really very clear. And hopefully I mixed up enough. Who knows? Maybe I should put a little bit more in. Better to have too much than not enough, right? Okay, so let's put in some billabong. Might be a bit much. Doesn't need to be a whole bunch. Get that stirred up. Little acorn hairs coming up, contaminating the surface. Look at that beautiful color. I love that. Beautiful sea color. That is nice and mixed in. I think that's enough of that. Put the lid on this. So again, that was billabong, TLP. So let's pour this onto the surface. And hopefully, by spreading it out, I won't disturb how level it is. This is just a fun way to create a little jewelry or a little decoration for yourself for work. Just a bit over here. Make sure I've got it right to the edge. Everything looks good. Now I think we're good. One of the things you need to keep in mind is the direction of your badge. So I've got it this way so that way is up. All right. So I'm gonna put my seahorse, hopefully middle-ish. And I think I want my shell. I was gonna put those things in, but I think I won't. So I'm gonna use my Resiners to cure this up before my Resiners UV curing machine, before that spills over. And what I love about this is you can split it up. So I am putting this bit of resin that was left in my little cup under there too to cure, because then it'll be easy to just peel out. And there it is. Now I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a coat of clear over the top. I should not have taken that out. Now it's no longer level, and with everything on it, it's still not going to be level. But I'm still going to do it. Okay, let's spread this around. Gives it a little extra shine. Perfect. And now we'll go again, another 2 minutes. And there it is. All done. Easy, easy. Ready to be worn. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Have you made these? Thank you as always for being here, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.
Yeah.